This is my drawing of Harry Potter, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the bottom right of the left eye, draw an oval, going up, come down and then back in. I'm just going to line it up on the right side. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now I want to draw two larger circles for the glasses. From the inside left eye, I'm going to step over, draw that large circle going all the way around, come down, and then bend that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's go back and add some thickness to the glasses. Starting from the top, just going to trace that circle to create a thick rim going all the way around. Now you can go back and just modify the shape. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the right side. Now in between the glasses, we're going to add a curve to connect the frames, and we'll add some thickness. Now let's go all the way down towards the bottom. We're going to add a curve for the nose, coming down and then up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Just underneath the nose, we're going to shift the mouth over towards the left. Starting up here, bend this down and across. And then on the left side, we're going to add a bracket. Above the eyes, we're going to add a small curve for the eyebrows. Let's go underneath the glasses, draw the bottom of the head. Starting on the left, bend this down, across, and then up. Let's go up to the top and draw in the hair. We're going to start on the left side, bend this up, and then in. Let's add a hairband coming across towards the middle, and then down, and back up towards the right. Let's add another one, coming down towards the glasses, bend this up. Now we'll go around the side of the glasses, and then down. Now let's round up the hair. On the left, bend this around, and then up. Let's go back to the left. We're going to step down, curve the hair, going all the way around, then up. Let's add a point. Coming down, round up the head, going up. I'm just going to pull that down towards the part. Let's work our way around towards the right. We're going to go up, and then out. Let's add a point. Go all the way around towards the side. Add another point. Now we're going to do the same thing that we did on the left. Going around, and just tuck that in behind the glasses. Let's add in the ears. Starting underneath the hair, bend this down, and then in. Let's go back to this area and add that lightning bolt. Down, up, and then down, and it'll trace the inside. Now we're going to add in the scarf. On the side of the head, bend this around and in. Go back to the left, curve this down the middle, and then up. Let's draw the end of the scarf over on the left side. So from the center, step over, draw a straight line coming down, round at the bottom, and then go straight up. Let's add those thick stripes. Leaving a gap in the center, draw one line on the left, one on the right. Now as we go out, we're going to give this a slight curve. Let's go to this section, add two curves across the middle. Now we want to draw on the side of the body and the coat. Starting on the left, bend this down, and then out. Go to the right, do the same thing. And I want to bend this in towards the center, and we want to leave a small gap right in the middle. Right here, we're going to go up and then down like an upside down V. Let's take this point, go all the way up toward the top, and then draw the collar. And it's up and then out. On the right side, let's add that emblem. Start with a curve, and from the ends, bend this down and in. Let's go back to the center, draw a straight line coming down to separate the legs, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting with the left, coming down and up. Go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel, and then just curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's move out underneath the coat, draw 2 straight lines going up. Now I also want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot with 2 curves. Over on the left side, we're going to draw the arm coming down the side of the body, starting underneath the scarf. We're going to bend the arm, go out, and then down towards the cuff, then this down and then in. Now I want to tuck the hand in underneath, so we're going to step down, bend the first finger going out and up, step down, add the second finger, and then the third going up underneath the sleeve. Now we want to line up the top of the arm over on the right side. We're going to bend the arm going out towards the side. Let's draw on the thumb. We're going to go up, down, round up the thumb, and then pull that back up. And then on the outside, we're going to add 3 fingers. Starting from the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and in, step down, draw another oval, going up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's add in the wand. Starting from the bottom with 2 lines coming down, flatten that off. Let's continue these 2 lines, go all the way up toward the top of the wand, and we'll flatten that off. Now going back to the wrist, we're going to curve the cuff, coming around and then down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the finger, step down, curve the palm coming in underneath the sleeve, round up the sleeve, and up underneath the hand. Now let's finish off the arm, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Harry Potter. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.